Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome again in our class. I'm your art teacher, Aqsa Khalid. You know very well. Today we are going to draw a pencil. Here is a simple way to help you learn how to draw a pencil. So let's start. First, write on the topic a pencil. Then sketch two even lines with spacing as shown. Then draw a curved line at the end. At the top, draw curved lines for the piece that holds the razor. Draw a triangle at the other end of the pencil and a curved line for the length. Then draw two parallel lines inside the pencil. Start curving. Erase overlapping guidelines. Use light colors for the razor and the end section. Then continue coloring and complete your artwork. It is complete. Hope you enjoyed it. Allah Hafiz. Good luck, students.